everyone, this side Dr. Shikha, and I am here to answer the most difficult question or the most troubled question for all of you, that is how to study theraps for your BHMS exams for your third year and final years. Theraps is an easy yet a difficult subject that depends only on you. I know most of us to struggle with how to study theraps, how to write the drugs, where to find the drugs, and what notes should I follow, what books should I follow. If you have all these questions, then you are at the right place, because I am going to answer all your questions. But this video is all about how to prepare and study theraps, and I will be making a separate video for how to write your theraps exam. So do watch that too, and it will be uploaded here on Instagram, so don't worry, these won't be going anywhere. Okay, so now the question is how to study theraps. First of all, the meaning of theraps is any medicine which helps us to cure a illness, which helps the physician to cure the illness. So that is why the word therapeutics. So theraps of any disease means that any number of medicines that have a hold over that particular sphere of the body, and that helps the physician to cure that illness, to cure that particular illness in the body. That is why we have pathological symptoms, that we have pathology so important. That is the reason we need to know the diagnosis, the prognosis, and the sphere of action of remedies as well. So how to study theraps? If you have bought the books, your textbooks specific for gynae obs theraps, that's well and okay. If you don't have, that's also okay. You can simply study from your Boric and Allen's. Allen's is more than enough even for your theraps too. Now all of you might be thinking that I am joking, right? Because I am not at all joking. I truly studied myself in my third year and final year from Allen's and Boric only. Basically Allen's only. How to find the answers, like which remedy is being involved, or which remedy has to be written in which disease. So what I advise all of you is, whenever you are studying materia medica, take a sheet of a paper, hold a pen, and write the disease condition in a given medicine. Like for example, we have burns in Cantharis, we have burns in Urtica urens, we also have burns in Causticum. So write down burns on a sheet of a paper, and in front of that write down these 3 remedies. That is only required for your exams and for your remembrance as well. That becomes pretty easy. Okay, now some of you might be thinking, ma'am, we don't have so much time that we have to study all the drugs and then we have to find like your exams on our head. So what I recommend to all of you is, go to Boric, open the therapeutic index, and in front of the therapeutic index we have a lot of remedies given. We have the repertory of therapies in our Boric as well. You can find the diseased condition and you can find the remedies over there too. So you can pick up the common and the important remedies from Boric as well. So this is how you can make a small note or chart for yourself for your exam time, for the day of your exam, that you remember that you have to write these drugs in your exams for this particular diseased condition. Also, there are some different drugs, some new drugs, like for morning sickness in pregnancy we have Symphoricarpus, and for nasal polyps we have Lemna minor. So these are the remedies which we don't find in Allen's, and we haven't, some of us might of you might have not heard about these remedies, but they are mentioned and they are being given more marks in your exams. So what to do? Find out such remedies from your seniors, from your teachers, or from the books which you have, and again make the same chart and make small notes these particular drugs for yourself, so that at the time of your exam you can just revise these and it becomes easier for you to remember for your exam. And whenever you study materia from Allen's, try to correlate it with the cases, or the correlate it with the diseases what you are studying. Like we have apoplexy, or we have a hemorrhagic tendency in phosphorus, so it could be a good in cases of hemorrhagic shocks. So we have good remedies for injuries, so we can think of arnica, ruta, symphytum in cases of fractures or whatever injury is there. So likewise you can just link to the diseases when you are studying from your Allen scheme, not for the paper of Materia Medica. So it becomes very much easier, and it becomes more easier to remember the symptoms as well, because you can't just always cram all the symptoms. You know the disease condition, you can write 1 or 2 symptoms of the same disease into that medicine in your Materia exam also, and you are going to get the marks. So this is how you have to study for your THERAPS exam. Always make notes, write down on a sheet of a paper, and then make shorter notes, so that you just need a single sheet and all your disease conditions are given, whatever have been asked in the last 10 years, or whatever your teachers have told, which questions are frequently asked in your exams. I will be meeting you with the very next video on how to write your THERAPS exam. Stay tuned guys, don't go anywhere. We'll meet you all very soon. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.